Welcome to ROI with Roy, episode 5. Today I'm going to be talking about management dashboards. So, as a fire company director, owner, service manager, operations manager, you kind of want to know how the business and the company is performing, how the employees getting through their day, are you making profit, etc. So, at Uptick, we only care about fire businesses and making them super profitable. So, for example, here you can see how well you're performing against routine maintenance, which is a key driver for fire companies. You can see the dotted line is how many jobs you should have completed by now. So 90 by August 22nd. And today or since then, since the start of the month, I've only performed 5. So you can see there's a huge discrepancy that we really need to close that gap. And why is that? You can see exactly why. Here at the bottom, you can see where all your jobs are at. So the grey actually means that a ton are ready but haven't been scheduled. So there is an issue in scheduling. Blue means performed, but green means completed. So have you been dispatching your reports and your quotes? So you can jump straight into the August jobs directly from there and start scheduling if you'd like. Other cool things are like, in the remedial quote dashboard, we're always putting the metrics at the forefront of the business. So how many of the quotes are pending in the wild? What's the value of that? Are there any trends month on month? How long does it take my client to actually authorize the quotes? Is it taking them 14 days? Are we not sending them enough reminders? Are we not picking up the phone enough? And then my favorite stat in the whole system is, how many of your remedial quotes are actually getting approved? This is a lot of money left on the table for fire companies. Are you getting 8 out of 10 approved, 9 out of 10 approved? Or can you improve from 2 out of 10 to 8 out of 10 with better systems? There's a ton of insights and reports. Obviously, I don't want to go through all of this in a 2-minute video, but we've got great dashboards. One of my favorites is this profitability pivot table. So this is where you can pull up, let's pull up all the jobs that have been completed from May to August. You can apply those filters. You can see which category has been created. You can see all the jobs, whether or not you're making money, how much incurred cost, how much committed cost. And then you can use it as a pivot table. So you can see which clients are you making money, losing money off. You can then pivot even further and drill down into the actual categories. So I can see, let's go to Carl Jones. We've only done routine maintenance jobs. So see whether or not you're making money in the routine maintenance versus, the reactive remedial quoting. And you can drill all the way further as much as you want. So this kind of allows you to see job costing at its finest and drill down further to see the actual issue. Ton of other stuff. I'm not going to go through it all now, but these are just small stuff that for a company owner, service manager, we really kind of gather all the data within the system and allow you to make much better decisions to ensure that the company's performance is healthy. Anyways, that's it for me, guys. Appreciate it.